What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best selfie stick tripods in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. Up next, we present to you the DJI OM 5, which grabbed the title of the best stabilizer selfie stick tripod available on the market in 2022. High-end smartphones can offer incredibly impressive in-camera stabilization, but for everyone looking for smooth cinematic camera movements and more creative control, nothing compares to a dedicated mechanical gimbal. DJI's latest Osmo Mobile 3-axis gimbal does just that, taking proven design and greatly optimizing the experience. The new OM 5 is thinner and lighter than its predecessor, folds less, and now has a telescoping selfie stick for added flexibility. You get a 3-axis folding gimbal with a built-in selfie stick, magnetic phone clamp, twistable tripod stand, carrying bag, and wrist strap. The gimbal itself is a thin handle made of a mixture of metal and high-quality plastic with various rubber elements. There are 6 physical controls located on the handle, including a joystick, a zoom slider, a record button, and a switch that toggles between cameras. You can also rotate between horizontal and vertical recording modes and select objects to track directly from the handle. The adjustable magnetic phone clamp allows you to easily attach your smartphone, and the built-in telescopic extension bar can be extended up to 215 millimeters, with an adjustable angle of up to 90 degrees at the bottom of the phone holder. When not in use, the gimbal folds neatly for storage. The OM5 works in conjunction with DJI's Mimo iOS and Android smartphone app. However, these changes were not made without compromise. A slimmer body combined with a handle that must include an extension pull has resulted in a much smaller battery. While the OM4 offers up to 15 hours of charging, the OM5's battery is more than half to just 6.5 hours. But overall, with its slimmer and lighter design, telescoping selfie stick, and useful app additions, the DJI OM5 is the most refined smartphone gimbal around. This model is also good value for money, with dimensions of 10.41 by 4.37 by 3.63 inches and a weight of 0.64 pounds. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it.